Welcome to the post-hospital discharge order video demonstration. Many of us are familiar with post-hospital discharge orders. We've signed them for many years. What we're accustomed to is a paper form that case managers and social workers have completed for us and that we signed at some point prior to the patient's discharge. We've now emulated this same process electronically. The purpose of this video is to show you the special function of this order, which will be found in the Discharge desktop. To access this order, we go to the Discharge desktop. We notice the CPOE discharge orders just as before, and it looks the same. We'll now click on New. We see that we have a new order, Post-Hospital Discharge Orders. We'll click on that and hit Edit to see the details of this particular order. At the top of the order, we see the title, Post-Hospital Discharge Orders. Beneath this, we see the priority and date and time, just as in other orders. Beneath this are the actual details of the post-hospital discharge order. The first field is the order details field, which is a simple yes/no field. After this becomes the primary post-discharge setting. Your case manager will fill this out, and it looks familiar from other parts of the discharge process. There's also a secondary post-discharge setting, which is appropriate in some situations. Beneath this are the actual services provided in the post-hospital environment, including nurse orders, physical therapy and occupational therapy, speech language, home health, social work evaluations, activity restrictions, IV infusion, tube feeding, wound care, trach care, and then finally there's a free text field to give other instructions for the post-hospital discharge recommendations. Now in this example, of course, none of the fields are filled out. This might be for one of two reasons. Either A, your case manager has not yet filled out these details, or B, this patient simply does not need post-hospital discharge orders. Let's go look at another patient to see how this looks if the fields have been filled out. Now with this particular patient, the fields have been completed by your case manager. In this particular example, this patient is going home and is also receiving palliative care. We notice that the case manager has completed each of the fields, applying yes or no to the services, and that the case manager has also given further commentary to many of these services. Finally, we notice that there is extra comments in the free text field. Assuming that you're okay with these orders, you need to sign them. What you need to do is complete the order detail by either typing Y for yes or clicking the down arrow and filling in yes. Either way, we hit save, and now we have a new order which is in green. And like all orders, this needs to be pinned. This is your acknowledgement of this order. Now that the order has been processed, we see on the Discharge desktop that there are many examples of the post-hospital discharge order in the CPOE discharge order section. We did this on purpose to show you that you can do this order many times over, as many times as it takes to get these orders as you need them for your patient. We also show that more than one provider can be signing these orders. This is helpful as often there is a team of physicians taking care of the patient. Each time that case management changes the settings of the orders, you can sign them again. It's important to understand that a final order is needed when the patient goes home and when these orders are printed for post-hospital settings such as skilled nursing facilities. Your case manager should alert you if further changes have been made after the time that you sign these orders. This completes the video demonstration of the post-hospital discharge orders. Thank you for watching.